Homebuilders are downsizing the American dream to lure in entry-level buyers who are frustrated by resale housing market. Yahoo Finance's Dani Romero joins us with more. Dani, the details, please.
Jared, it's all about meeting affordability. So the size of a home correlates to interest rates, with mortgage rates hovering over 6%. The game here is the more that you can afford, the size of your home gets bigger. The less you can fork up, the size of your home gets smaller. What is the current size of a new single-family home right now? Data from the Census Bureau shows that the average square footage of a new home stood at 2,469 square feet. You can see that on your screen right now in the first quarter of this year. That's down 2% from the previous 6 quarters, which stood at 2,525 square feet. The difference is 56 square feet. That equals to a nice size bathroom, but a smaller home isn't killing buyer appetite. First-time home buyers are responding. Pulte Group said in their second quarter earnings call on Tuesday that first-time home buyers remained financially resilient, and they're also dipping into their personal savings to go towards their down payment. And millennials are also asking for support from their parents. But you know what's interesting here, Jared, is the fact that even though homes are shrinking in size, the size of your kitchen is actually going to get bigger or will continue to get bigger. That depends obviously on the buyer itself, but it also shows that people are probably enjoy being in the kitchen.
Sounds like that might be a development that came post-pandemic or, kind of created that vibe there. We did get some disappointing today on the new home sales front, breaking a 3-month up streak. So price is actually lowering for these new units coming online here.
Jared, overall sales pace looks positive. Buyer demand is strong. The lack of the resale market will help boost the new homes market. And there's also a growing pipeline of new homes that are going to be going onto the market. So we also heard from CFO of Whirlpool, Jim Peters, talk about that this is really a bright spot. Take a listen.
I think then as you look to next year, we would expect to begin to see as interest rates stabilize and it's kind of been absorbed and normalized within the marketplace, you'll begin to see some of those existing home sales pick up. But, right now I'd say new home construction will be the first thing to show signs of growth.
And you heard it right there. The enthusiasm in new home construction and also in the new home market is really going to continue, Jared.
Yeah, well, if the share price is any indication, those home builders have been absolutely flying this year. Dani Romero, thank you for that report.